Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is regarding General Science Top 25 MCQs Part 2. So let's start the video. Question number 1. The material used in the manufacturing of lead pencil is. Options are option A lead, option B graphite, option C carbon, or option D mica. So, the material which is used in the manufacturing of lead pencil is, the correct option is option number B, that is graphite. So, graphite is used in the manufacturing of lead pencil. Now, let's move to question number 2. Ringworm is a type of which disease? Let's look into the options. Option A bacterial, option B viral, option C fungal, or option D protozoan. So ringworm is a type of, the correct option is option number C, that is ringworm is a type of fungal disease. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 3. Saliva helps in the digestion of, options are option A fats, option B starch, option C proteins, or option D vitamins. So saliva helps in the digestion of, the correct option is option number B starch. So the more saliva your mouth secretes, the more smoothly the starch contains in that food will get digested. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 4. Shock absorbers are usually made of steel because it, options are option A is not brittle, option B has lower elasticity, option C has higher elasticity, or option D has no ductile property. So usually if you have seen big machines, in those machines, or also if you have seen your in the motorcycle, the back side of the bike, there is a shock absorber. So usually it is made up of steel. So why it is made up of steel? Because it has higher elasticity. So the correct option is option number C, that is it has higher elasticity. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 5. White lung disease is prevalent among the workers of, the options. Options are option A page industry, option B cement industry, option C cotton industry, or option D pesticide industry. So white lung disease are more common in among the workers who are working in, the correct option is option number B, that is cement industry. So in cement industry, usually the workers who work in cement industry, they are more prone to white lung disease. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 6. The function of ball bearings in a wheel is, options are option A to increase friction, option B to convert kinetic friction into rolling friction, option C to convert static friction into kinetic friction, or option D just for convenience. So basically there is a purpose of placing ball bearing in a wheel. The purpose is that it converts kinetic friction into rolling friction. So the correct option is option number B, that is to convert kinetic friction into rolling friction. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 7. The acceleration due to gravity at the equator is, options are option A less than that at the poles, option B greater than that at the poles, option C equal to that at the poles, or option D does not depend on the Earth's centripetal acceleration. So the acceleration due to gravity at the equator is, The correct option is option number A, that is, it is less than that at the poles. It is mainly because of the size of the earth, which is a geode size. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 8. The pH of human blood is, let's look into the options. Option A 7.8, option B 7.2, option C 6.6, or option D 7.4. So usually the pH of human blood is somewhere at around 7.4. So the correct option is option D, that is 7.4. So D is the correct option of question number 8. Now let's move to question number 9. Which of the following mineral is found in monazite sand? Let's look into the options. Option A potassium, option B uranium, option C thorium, or option D sodium. So monazite sand, the mineral which is found is, the correct option is option number C, that is thorium. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 10. The noble gas used for the treatment of cancer is, options are option A helium, option B argon, option B krypton, or option D radon. So the correct option is option number D, that is radon is used for the treatment of for the treatment of cancer, and it is a noble gas. So D is the correct option. I'll request the viewers to mention what is a noble gas in the comment box. Now let's move to question number 11. Which among the following is the largest endocrine gland in the body? Let's look into the options. Option A thyroid, option B parathyroid, option C pituitary, or option D adrenal. So the correct answer is option number A, that is thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland in the body. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 12. The phenomenon of the light associated with the appearance of blue color of the sky is, so if you'll see the sky during daytime, the sky appears blue in color. So it is because of what? We have to answer the correct option. Options are option A reflection, option B refraction, option C scattering, or option D interference. So the blue color of sky is basically due to, the correct option is scattering of light. So because of scattering of light, the phenomena happen. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 13. Which plant is called herbal Indian doctor? Let's look into the options. Option A amla, option B tulsi, option C neem, or option D mango. So the plant which is known as herbal Indian doctor is, the correct option is option number A, that is amla. So amla is known as herbal Indian doctor. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 14. If a magnet has a third pole, then the third pole is called, options are option A defective pole, option B extra pole, option C arbitrary pole, or option D consequent pole. So if a magnet has a third pole, then the third pole is called, the correct option is option D, that is it is called as consequent pole. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 15. The sweet taste of fruits is due to, options are option A lactose, option B fructose, option C maltose, or option D ribose. So if you eat fruits like apple, mango, or whatever, they usually have sweet taste. It is because of the correct option is option B, that is fructose. Because of fructose, it is sweeter in taste. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 16. Dry ice is a condensed form of, options are option A oxygen, option B highly cooled water, option C carbon dioxide, or option D sulfur trioxide. So dry ice is condensed form of, the correct option is option number C, that is carbon dioxide. So when carbon dioxide is condensed, it is known as dry ice. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 17. Which color or colors of light has the highest velocity through vacuum? Let's look into the options. Option A blue, option B green, option C red, or option D all of the above. So in a vacuum, any electromagnetic wave can have the highest velocity, no matter of which wavelength it is or no matter of which color it is. So the correct option is option D, that is all of the above. So D is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 18. Ionic compounds are soluble in, options are option A alcohol, option B ether, option C water, or option D kerosene. So ionic compounds are soluble in, the correct option is option C, that is they are soluble in water. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 19. Which polymer is used in making non-stick kitchenware? We have seen in kitchen like non-sticky pan or many such utensils. So of which polymer they are made up of, we have to answer. Let's look into the options. Option A nylon, option B Teflon, option C polystyrene, or option D bakelite. So they are made, the non-sticky kitchen utensils are made up of, the correct option is option B, that is it is made up of Teflon. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 20. The materials which are strongly attracted by magnet are called, options are option A ferromagnetic substances, option B universal substances, option C paramagnetic substances, or option D diamagnetic substances. So the material which is strongly attracted by magnets are called, the correct option is option A, that is ferromagnetic substances. So those materials are called ferromagnetic substances. So A is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 21. Which one of these primates is closest to the modern man? Let's look into the options. Option A orangutan, option B chimpanzee, option C gorilla, or option D gibbon. So with comparison to today's modern man, the primate which is closer to it is, the correct option is option number B, that is chimpanzee. So chimpanzee is much more closer to the current modern man. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 22. The soil salinity is measured by, let's look into the options. Option A conductivity meter, option B hygrometer, option C psychrometer, or option D oxanometer. So soil salinity is measured by, the correct option is option number A, that is conductivity meter. So soil salinity can also affect the production of the crop. So because of this only it is tested. So it is measured through conductivity meter. So E is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 23. Body temperature is regulated by, options are option A thalamus, option B hypothalamus, option C cerebellum, or option D medulla. So body temperature is regulated by, the correct option is option number B, that is hypothalamus. So B is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 24. In electric motor, then options, heat, option A, heat is converted into electrical energy. Option B, electrical energy is converted into heat. Option C, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Or option D, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So in electric motors, the correct option will be option number C, that is electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So C is the correct option. Now let's move to the last question of this video. Question number 25. Who had discovered oxygen? Let's look into the options. Option A, Galileo. Option B, Rutherford. Option C, Joseph Priestley. Or option D, William Harvey. So oxygen was discovered by, the correct option is option number C, that is Joseph Priestley. So Joseph Priestley has discovered oxygen. So C is the correct option. So I hope that you have liked the video, and do subscribe to our channel and please press the like button. Thank you very much.